Good morning to those who listen. It is December 30th, 2017, 11:54 a.m. And like I said, look at that. That cloud did move, and over there, I noticed the dimness. It got brighter, and then it got dimmer. So, guess what? That means it's time to check it out. Something's going on. There's the blue again. And there's the flashing again. Alright, am I gonna get something? Let's find out. First off, let's take a little view around. Whoa. Alright, back to the sun. Although, let's look at these camps up here. They look kind of funny. Okay. Alright, back to the sun. It's bulging. It's bulging side to side. Flashing. Alright, remember I was going to try some eclipse glasses too. I don't see no orbs or nothing, so. Well, first off, what I'll do is I'll just. Hold on, I'll pause for a second. Alright, I'm back. I was checking to see if I could see anything through the eclipse glasses. Okay, this is totally zoomed out right there. And look at the flashing, look at the blueness. You do have a ray going through it a little bit. Zooming on in. Alright, hold on a minute, go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't it look like it's flashing at different intervals? Somebody suggested Morse code, but could you imagine trying to figure that out? That would be strange, though. Morse code. But it seems like it's just flashing. Most of the time it's like flashing the same speed. And Morse code would be, you know, dot, 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 and then the longer. And this doesn't seem to be doing that. But wouldn't that be strange? They're sending us some kind of message in Morse code. Out of all the technologies, they would pick Morse code. Just saying. But I don't know. I don't see no signs that there would be any objects passing through. But you never know, because yesterday's video, I didn't even see it at first, and even after playing it back, what's that? See, a lot of times I don't see as much through the camera while I'm recording than I do when I play it back. So a lot of times I won't see something, and a lot of times someone else will see something and then tell me, and then I'll have to go back and see. I don't know, we'll just keep an eye going here. I'm going to do something too. I'm going to check every once in a while. So if you see something go in front of there, I'm just checking the heat, because I do notice when my computer shuts down, it gets hot. So it is kind of hot, but ooh, it seems like it got really brighter just suddenly now. Wow, and look at that. There's the blue beam. I wish I would have caught that. Of course, that figures when it happened, when it first came out, because the blue beam was not there before. See, maybe they're shooting this beam through there to magnify the sun simulator. Remember, I'm just throwing this stuff out there. This is all just theories. But You know, why is this blue beam coming out of there now suddenly? Is this the time when they're zapping the clouds to get ready to hide what's ever coming? I don't know, but some of these clouds up here look funny. Alright, zoom back out. Alright, there's something down there. You see that? Let's go in. I see something, but it's hard to see through this camera, but there is something right there. Oh, and look at that. There's something maybe there. I'll have to look this back. Let's try to zoom in. I don't know. I can't tell. Alright, zoom back out. Here's the flashing. Alright, so are we eclipsing? I don't know. And then it stopped flashing, so. Alright, let's zoom in, see if it flashes again. I do see something coming out of the left bottom. Left side, hold on. What is that? Trying to see it with my naked eye, it's impossible. Look at these drip down chems. I don't know, to me I just see like a shadow there. I don't know if that's anything or not. But look at, there's two shadows now. Oh God, I can't see with the naked eye. Jeez. See, that's why people can't see it. You can't see it with your naked eye. Alright, I'm going to zoom in one more time. Below, what's that now? I'm going to go down a little bit farther so I can get more out of the sun's direct. I don't know, it's weird how some of these shadows go across too. Weird, weird, weird. Alright, I'm going to stop the video because I got a feeling I'm doing too much. Alright, hold on, let me look at something. I thought I seen the beginning of a halo, maybe not. God, I can't look at this. Oh, let's look through the eclipse glasses real fast. Hold on, pause. Alright, I'm back. I got the eclipse glasses out. Let's see if there's anything that we can see with this. Oh, darn it. I'm going to try to zoom in without moving these glasses. I'm going to have to set it down a little bit here. Alright, there's like halfway zoomed. I don't want to go too zoomed in because then we might miss something happening around it. I don't see nothing. I don't know. I don't see nothing, but here I'm going to remove them again. And let me get the zoom out first before I go back to the sun. The clouds look different now. Still flashing, but nothing much going on besides that blue beam. The sun actually looks round though. Strange. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. God bless.